And I like to give tips and tips looking like you woke up just shiny, not shiny, just glowing. It is summer everywhere, and summer definitely here in the Bahamas. I'm gonna play with this primer today. It's from Dr. BRIGHTENING. It says that it's a luminizer primer base. I'm gonna rub a little bit of it on the back of my hand so you can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Feels nice and soft, and probably a combination of the texture from the Tarte primer. Doesn't leave my face. Didn't leave my face looking oily. The NARS Illuminator. This is like a liquid blush. I'm gonna put some of this on the high points of my face. This is in the shade Orgasm. I think this is the original Orgasm. I think I can get that info and have it in the description bar. I've had this for a little while. I'm just shaking it up. I've had it for a little while, but never really played with it. Maybe a little bit too light for my face right now, but I don't have. That's the struggle I have, is trying to find foundation that is right for my face and the rest of my body. Normally, the best shade for my chest is actually Marquise. And the best shade for my face normally is Macao, but I was just looking at it this morning, and I'm like, I don't know if Macao may be right for you today, but we'll see. I got up to do something, and I forgot to turn the camera on, and I just noticed it. I can't believe it. Okay. I'm not sure where I left off, but this is where I'm at now. That's what I do when I talk into the camera. I finished off my contour. I've done my highlight. I've blended up my concealer, my nose contour, and I'm now about to set under my eyes. I truly don't know where I left off, where I didn't. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to piece this together, hopefully. But yeah. The illuminator I put on the bridge of my nose. Have everything that I put, like every powder I put on my nose, or anything I put on my nose, but have it sticking. I mean, you know how it's coming off on camera, but in person it looks weird. I wouldn't recommend using it like that. I mean, they put on too much. I wanted to try this blush that I have not played with yet from MERCIER in the shade Permagel. And on top of that blush, I'm going to use this blush from HOURGLASS. This is the Ambient Lighting Blush. my lips. What did I take out for my lips? Okay, I took out two lipsticks I wanted to try, but not as lipsticks, more as lip gloss. Go with this one here. I think it's Velvet Red or something. I'll put the name in the description box on the screen. Just right here. That's my problem. So I'm gonna line my lips with wrong one. I have it. I think this is ground cinnamon. Yeah. We are summer ready for the boat party, the park party. Don't worry, Mr. Prime Minister. Do my face. Braids, I'm gonna be rocking them for, I don't know. Listen, I thought they were supposed to be easy. Listen, y'all was wet. Listen, my natural hair is long, and the excuse that she, her, the same woman, she knows, she always uses, your hair too long, your hair too long. So now that I have my hair cut off, I was finally able to get them braided. I like them. I think, you know, it came out really, really nice. Thank you guys so much as always thank you guys always for spending part of your day with me. I like to give tips and tricks, and I like to do beginner friendly videos for all of my friends. I like to do beginner friendly videos. I like to do beginner friendly videos for all of my fellow newbies, but everyone is welcome.